Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I have an amazing video to share with you today. A car that I've wanted to drive for a very long time. It's a bucket list car, it's a poster car, it's a dream car. It's the R32 Nissan Skyline GT-R. Being that this is a 1989 Nissan, it is, of course, right-hand drive, which is another huge bucket list item. Wanted to drive right-hand drive for as long as I can remember, and in this video, you'll see me do that. Huge shout out to the owner, Shawn, for allowing this to happen, allowing me to drive this car. He has put a ton of time, money, and effort into this vehicle, and super easygoing guy, and allowed me to drive this thing. It's really cool. You'll see. This was just a taste of the R32 Skyline GT-R, but we will be filming a comprehensive review in the coming weeks. And with that, I'd love to know what you'd like to know about this vehicle. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll try and answer all those questions in the next video. With that said, hope everyone enjoys this POV drive. I know I did. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. What the sir. Not as weird as I thought it would be, being on the right hand side. This is it feels pretty natural. I don't know. I mean, I've pictured this for a really long time, so thank you very much for this, by the way. But not so peculiar. Obviously, we're only on one lane right now, but I feel like I wouldn't struggle. I don't feel like I'm struggling to keep it centered. This is insane.
Yeah, probably definitely made his butt booger.
What's red line?
7,800.
Not even close to it. Holy cow. Holy shit. That's nasty. I love this though because I know it's gonna stop too. It's like you can have all this power and that's cool, but this thing is set up to frickin' go and to stop, and that's what you are looking for. Oh my gosh. Coming out of a corner, you know, or you know, coming out of the bus stop at the Glen.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh. Dude, what a video though. Driving right-hand drive for the first time. Got another frickin' Skyline in here. Come on. start getting the confidence to slam gears, like that, this could get really quick, really fast. Because right now it's like, obviously I've driven stick 1,000 times, but it feels like kind of learning for the first time again, just getting that muscle memory in your left hand. But pedals are the same. I mean, things set up, drives straight as hell. Kidding me? For a track car? Like, come on. I feel like, and you know, you could still get in trouble for sure if it's your own bad. But I feel like this, because of the weight of the throttle, you really have to mess up coming out of a corner. Plus the all-wheel drive. So where, do you have windshield wipers or no?
Yeah, there's wipers.
No, but where's the, oh, very cool. That makes the turn signal dilemma a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yes, sirree. Nasty.
Cleaner running. Bring it out.
Okay, kids.